Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can fix this error on your Delonghi Magnifica start. So you can see we have a flashing red filter light here and the steam light's flashing as well. So the background is that we've installed a water filter on this machine and we followed the instructions to get it to activate on here. But at this level now, it's telling you, so we've gone into the settings to let the machine know that we've put a new filter in and that the machine is using a filter rather than not using a filter. And in the instructions at this level here, it tells you to go to 1 until the water goes off. But it's not clear on how long you have to do that for. Fortunately, you've got to do it for a long time. So you've got to do it for around about half a pint, 300 millilitres. So get a much bigger container than a tiny little cup. And you just need to put it on here and just let it do its thing. So it's going to take about 3 minutes to put all the water through to get to about half a pint. And then what will happen is the water will automatically stop and then the steam light will start flashing again. Then when you turn it to 0, the error light will go away. So the mistake most people are making is that they're just putting a cup in and they're thinking it's not working because the cup's going to overflow. So you just need a bigger container. So we're just over 200 millilitres now. So another 30 seconds or so it will stop. We're now at 300. Let's take in more this time. We're now up to 450 millilitres. There we go, it took a lot more. That was half a litre. And now you can see that's flashing there. And all we have to do is put this dial to here. And there you go. At long last, that flashing red light has gone. So the first time we did that, it only took 300 millilitres. That time, it took about 450 millilitres. But you can see the machine is now back to normal. Thanks for watching.